This is a tutorial on how to set up your own custom jobs page with Breezy's ATS. So you click and sign in, and then we wait for it to sign in. All right, Breezy is signing in. All right, then you click on the gear icon on the top and go to Recruiting Preferences, go to Integrations, and we're going to go down to Embedding Jobs, click on Settings. So you have two options, inline widget or iframe widget. I like the iframe widget. You copy this piece of, press Control A, copy this piece of code. Now I'm going to my WordPress website. I'm going to add a new page. And the title of the page will be jobs. And then we're going to paste in that piece of code. And we're going to press publish. And now we could view the page. And here you go. Current openings at Slate Advance, Recruiter. And you click on Recruiter. And it has the job position. You click on Apply Now. And see, it has everything that you need. That's how to make a custom jobs page with Breezy.HR.